Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika, the channel where we make amazing jewelries, craft ideas, a lot more. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful air dry clay and terracotta clay earrings. It's so beautiful, everyone can do it, so let's get straight with that. Let's get straight with today's tutorial. Before we go far, consider clicking the like button, guys. I do really appreciate that. If you want more such videos in the future, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon. Whenever I'm gonna upload new videos, you're gonna get notified about it. Also, we have cool top 100 amazing jewelry ideas for your jewelry line, for making the jewelry for yourself, for gifting it to someone else. It's a PDF download which you can use it as a pattern or ideas for making your own jewelries, earrings, pendant, ring, whatever it is. The link is in description box below. Make sure you grab it. Let's get started with today's tutorial. The materials required: you're gonna need an air dry clay. I'm using this gray dry clay. You're gonna need a water. You're gonna need a terracotta clay. I'm using this dry terracotta clay for chipping. You're gonna need a working mat, a few sets of the instruments. You're gonna need white elements, and that's it for today's tutorial. Let's get straight with that. beautiful air dry clay and terracotta clay earrings. Hopefully you find this tutorial useful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I'll gonna see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye guys.